So I picked this up on Kijiji about a week ago. And I was interested in the tools, but when I looked at them when I got there, it wasn't what I thought. You know, some of them were missing parts and so on. These look really nice, really well made, homemade, probably. And they seem to be a match, but they don't fit in it's a little bit too wide here to go into that groove. It just doesn't fit. So that needs to be machined down a little bit. It's like whoever started this little project never really finished it, but they're so well made. There's two of these V-blocks and the two clamps. So that's really what I was after. There's a few things like that in here. There's the two clamps. Beefy, very, very well made. Got a couple of these. These are missing some parts. Snugs. We call these snugs. FJD. So this is missing the rod. So it's a mismatch of. This is a test indicator, Micromaster. It sticks though. Not the greatest condition. I could probably get it fixed or try and fix it myself. Bit of a junk drawer. Cute little magnifying glass. Actually, it's going to come in handy, that. Starrett punch. But it's been ground. It's been kind of ruined. No names on any of these drawers. I've looked at all sides of all the drawers. Really nice collection of files in here. Really unique files too, because some of them have, you know, I've never seen a file like this where it's flat and smooth on the bottom on three sides like this. It's very, very fine here. I haven't even looked at all of them yet. I think those files will stay right in that drawer. They fit perfect. So got the little triangle here. And Brown Sharp micrometer. Is it 1 2-inch? This is a really nice little set of feeler gauges. At first I didn't pay too much attention, but then I realized the numbers are punched right into the metal. So, and any other feeler gauge I've ever bought the last number of years, I think it's ink printed on there, and eventually it wears right off, and you don't know what you've got anymore. You got to go measure and see. But these are nice. Little 1 inch, 0 to 1 inch Starrett micrometer, Starrett 6-inch scale, a rule, and this little thing here. We've got, oh, this is really nice. The Starrett with the half nuts. Very nice. I've got a combination center finder, and I've got this, but no rule. These clamp onto a bar or something. Those are actually really nice. I've never owned any of those. Got this. There's your fine. They both have the fine adjustment here. It's the same thing but bigger. DeWick, J.F. DeWick. He's got his name stamped and almost everything. This drawer is almost empty. Got the Starrett metric ruler, and I've got the little clamp here. It's a little rough. Set of dies and some taps. I think these are pipe thread taps. 3/8. That has to be pipe thread. I don't know what these are. Set screws and miscellaneous stuff. And then nice little Starrett dividers. Nice shape. This one's missing a piece here. Tiniest little hammer. And then union. I don't know what this is for. Guess you could just adjust that for any angle you want. And oh yeah, there's a little reamer in here. Tiny little reamer. 3/16. So I had it for about 3 or 4 days. Second or third time I looked at it, I got out this piece of paper. And the following tools are the personal property of the late J. DeWick of Department 521, Northern Electric Company Ltd, Shearer Street, Montreal. 1-inch micrometer, honing stone, jeweler's saw, die bars, circular bench block, key chuck wrenches, hermaphrodite calipers, assorted sizes, set square head, pairs of tweezers, surface gauge, 2 rods, surface gauge is there, 2-inch micrometer, that's there, small screwdriver, not there, feeler gauges, it's there, measuring, tape measures missing, sign bars missing, tool maker's buttons, I don't know what those are, trig, simple flyer, 6-inch scale, that's there, machinist's hammer, small, that's there, tap wrench, missing, packet miscellaneous files, they're all there, there's a whole bunch of them, angle plates, they're missing, automatic center punch, missing, not there, dividers, assorted sizes, yeah, there's a whole bunch there, combination set, rule is missing, see, he's got a question mark on pencil here, it's missing, bevel protractor, oh yeah, that's there, level, well, if you can consider the level in here, that's a level, it still works. And then what else we got? Clamps. There's one clamp. This must be a triangle, and it's there, it's in the drawer. This will acknowledge that I have received all the tools listed on this statement. And then down in pencil it's supposed to be signed and witnessed by someone. And in pencil down here, only items with check mark were here in 1959. So this is really cool. This box has probably been sitting in someone's basement or garage or who knows where for 1959. So over 50 years, almost 60 years now, 55, 56 years. And I haven't looked at everything yet, but a lot of what's on that list, it's just math, a lot of what's on that list is in this box. So I think Mr. DeWick was the one that made these in previous to 1959, and it was just probably a project he never got finished. And this box sat in someone's possession for all those years with virtually everything like it is right now in there. And it's a beautiful box. So I think I'll just clean it up and start using it. And doesn't need much. Just a little wipe down with a wet cloth, and it's in very good shape. And it's just the right size for what I need. Thanks for watching.